This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Salesforce for beginners. We'll start by understanding what Salesforce is and why it's so widely used by businesses of all sizes. This powerful platform helps companies manage their customer relationships, streamline sales processes, and improve customer service. We'll cover the fundamental aspects, ensuring you gain a solid foundation to confidently navigate and utilize its key features for your daily tasks. Once you log in, you'll see the home page, which is your personalized dashboard. To move between different areas, use the app launcher, often found in the top left corner, to switch between applications like Sales or Service Cloud. The navigation bar at the top features tabs for key objects such as accounts, contacts, and opportunities. You can also use the powerful global search bar to find any record across the entire platform in just a few seconds. A core function of Salesforce is managing records. You'll frequently create new records for accounts, contacts, and opportunities, ensuring all customer information is centralized. Updating existing records is straightforward, allowing you to maintain accurate and up-to-date data. Remember to link related records, like associating a contact with their company's account, to build a comprehensive customer profile. This interconnectedness provides a holistic view, helping you track every interaction and follow up efficiently. Salesforce offers robust reporting and dashboard capabilities to help you understand your data. You can generate various reports, from standard sales reports to custom ones tailored to your needs. These reports allow you to filter and group information, providing valuable insights into your sales pipeline or customer service metrics. Dashboards then visualize this data through charts and graphs, giving you a quick, at-a-glance overview of key performance indicators. Sharing these with your team fosters collaborative decision-making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.